We have another one finished up here, Innovative Cars Sound 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. This is the Eco Diesel. We added a Viper remote start with security. Now we set up this one a little different. The system that we used is a Viper system that joins the factory remote. Now these Dodges come with a fat key like this one. So in most cases you don't want to carry a second remote. You can run the alarm system off of this remote. So your lock and unlock stays the same. Hit it once, locks the doors, and sets up the alarm system. For unlock, same thing. Hit it once, driver's side. Second time, all the other doors. Now the difference between this system and others is that to get it to remote start, you're gonna hit lock 3 times. There's no one sitting inside and the key's right here. So with the remote, you go 1, 2, 3. The ignition will kick on, but it will not immediately crank. It'll hold for about 15 seconds and then crank the engine on. Because it's a diesel, we give it a little bit of a delay. If it was gas powered, it would fire right up. So there, the engine is on. I'll unlock it. It's in full remote start mode. It's a Viper add-on remote start and security to the factory remote. It's a Eco Diesel Ram 1500 2016, and I can also shut it down from here. 1, 2, 3. And the engine turns off. We have them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Cars Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.